This week on Kurriosity, we have a sliced heirloom tomato carpaccio. We're going to take a nice tomato, we're going to slice it paper thin. We're going to shingle the tomatoes one by one on a plate of your choice. After the tomatoes are on the plate, place our baby arugula right on top. Fresh chiffonata of fresh basil. A little bit of Italian flat leaf parsley. We're going to top it with a little bit of Vermont goat cheese. And then we have a little bit of balsamic reduction. It drizzle right on top. We're going to finish with a little bit of spritz of extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it. Today's meal on Kurriosity, heirloom tomato carpaccio.